Think mayo can't get any better? You haven't tried bacon mayo. This smoky, rich keto spread is made with just 5 ingredients and real bacon grease. Let's make it. Start by frying 4 slices of thick-cut bacon in a pan over medium heat. Cook until crispy and golden. Once done, set the bacon aside on a paper towel to cool. Carefully save 2 tablespoons of that beautiful rendered bacon fat. Now grab a tall container or mason jar and crack in 2 whole eggs straight in, no separating. Add 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. This adds the tang and helps the mayo emulsify. Pour in the warm bacon grease. Don't let it cool, warm fat blends best. Using an immersion blender, pulse straight down and slowly lift as it thickens. In seconds, you've got homemade mayo. Now crumble that crispy bacon into the mayo. Fold it in with a spoon or spatula. Thick, creamy, savory bacon mayo ready to devour. Use it on burgers, eggs, keto lettuce wraps, or just grab a spoon. It's low carb, high fat, and packed with real flavor. Bacon lovers, this one's for you. Like, share, and save this video and tag someone who's still buying store mayo. Mayo.